Hey there, my name is Harinder Singh and you're watching to my YouTube channel that is Codes Live, and in this particular session I'm going to tell you how can you start your Node.js server within 2 or 3 minutes for the APIs. For this you have to install Node.js in your system. So beside this you have to have text editor. In my case I use Visual Studio Code, and in case you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to my channel because I always upload this kind of videos on this channel, and if you subscribe to my channel it gives me energy to make more videos like this. First of all, we will create a new folder. I will name it Node.js and open this folder in the text editor. Once it is open in the text editor, go to the terminal. We have to run a couple of commands to create our project. The first command is npm init -y. When this command is executed, you will see the package.json file is created at the root of our project. After this, you have to install the Express library in our project. For that, the command is npm install express. You can replace the install word with the I. That is the short form of install. Let me tell you. npm I express. By executing this command, you will see the node modules and one another file, that is package.log.json, will also be created here. Yep. After this, you have to create a file on the root, and we will name it index.js. right? After this, you have to write the 3 lines of code to call our first API. The first code is you have to include our Express library in our project. For that, you have to define a constant app require express, right? In this way, our whole functionality of the Express will be callable in our project. After this, you have to define a constant port. Okay, you can take it any number. I would like to take 8080. After this, you have to write the code to listen to the port. Okay, that is app.listen. okay, its first argument will be port and second is function. Okay, now you can console if our app is listening to the port. The app is listening to the port. All right, after this you have to write our endpoint of API. So it is written like app.get. In my case, I'm going to use get method, so I have written here get, and the first argument will be my endpoint. I'm going to take get user, and second argument is going to be my function, that is returning my response and taking the request and response. All right, and here I'm going to send the response dot send. Okay, user, here I'm going to return a user, and user's properties are id, that is 1, and name, that can be codes live. Okay, so we are done with our coding. That's all the coding we have to call our first API, that is get user. Okay, and after writing this code, save the file and execute a command, that is to run our server, that is to start our server, that is node space dot. Okay, node space dot. After executing the command, you will see our app will be listening, and our this log will be consoled here. Right, you can see the app is listening to the port. Our this code is executed, it means our code is running fine. After this, you have to open the browser, and as you know, our server is localhost, so you have to first write localhost. Okay, after that you have to write port, in my case it is 8080, and after this you have to write the endpoint, in my case it was get user. Enter, and you see our response is here, user ID and name. It means our API is running perfectly fine. So you have seen that in a couple of minutes you can create your first API with the help of Node server. So if you guys have any issues and any other queries, you can write down in the comments. I would like to reply all of your comments, and if you have any suggestions regarding videos, you can write down in the comments. And I would like to request all of you that please subscribe to the channel, and that gives energy to create more videos like this. So I'll catch you in the next video.